Hello and welcome to SEO Science. In step 10 we covered creating videos and images for competitive keywords. Now let's get into mix paid with organic to get going. When embarking on your SEO journey, it's essential to understand that results may not appear immediately. It takes time to see the full impact of your efforts. SEO is a valuable long-term strategy, but there are instances when you need to generate leads promptly. This is where paid search can prove extremely beneficial. While you focus on building your SEO groundwork, allocate a budget for paid search to ensure a consistent influx of leads. Even after achieving a steady flow of organic traffic to your website, running a paid search campaign in conjunction can be very advantageous. PPC ads can complement your organic presence, especially in cases where you face tough competition and struggle to secure the top spot in organic search results. By investing in paid search, you can secure placements that might have been challenging to achieve solely through organic means, helping you reach a broader audience and enhance your overall online visibility. Even when the list of tasks may seem daunting, the key is to take that initial step and get started. Begin by focusing on the first goal that you feel confident about achieving. As you progress, you'll come across helpful local SEO tools that can streamline and expedite the tactics that yield positive results. With time and effort, you'll witness the benefits of your endeavors. You'll accumulate more inbound links from relevant and reputable local sources, enhancing your website's credibility. Consistently adding fresh blog posts and other valuable content will enable you to rank for a broader range of search terms. Once you've successfully tackled the introductory items on this checklist, you'll be prepared to elevate your SEO strategy to new heights, driving even greater success to your online presence. If you like what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any further tips or advice. First steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.